Oh shit, Sly.
I totally hit him and nothing happened.
Sly is like determined to learn bird.
Right?
I am.
I really want a quest for Marks. God, I want to get Forager so bad.
Oh shit, there's another bird
Coming in. He's diving.
Let's try
I'm
to
worried
help.
about your stam.
Yeah.
This other one's just about dead.
Oh, I see that.
Oh, it's dead.
It died.
Oh, the other bird killed it!
Backwards. Oh god, he's so low.
I'm fine.
Can you go to the home cave?
Probably
that
need a
bird's
little bit of stand.
Fully down. This is the chance.
It's gonna get up as soon as like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have the option for home cave, so. Can also like you did definitely just solo another bird.
Fucking Sly is a goddamn bird god.
I know, right? They like picked it up hypothetically as like almost a joke. They were like, "Yeah, I'm gonna get on this bird to help defend," and then they sent that shit.
Are we hailing a new bird god now? I got.
Oh, Ghoulie.
Oh, did you bone break it?
Bones.
Yeah.
Elk, it's bones.
Alex, slam, slam, slam.
I'm not
Wait.
there. Run, Ghoulie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 'cause the birds are gonna be on you now.
They are. I do have to sit. This sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Get under a tree over
Well,
here.
can you heal?
Oh, you
No,
can't.
she can't move.
No, I'm gonna die. Lol.
Oh.
It is what it is. Nope,
Where
nope,
you
maybe
at,
I won't.
Ghoulie?
7-6. I have to lay all the way down. Oh god.
Where are you at? I can defend you from the birds.
Nope.
No.
Nope,
fucking
nope,
smack
no.
you.
Fuck!
Yep. Pick it. Oh, and it. Oh, it's dead! Oh my god. Pick up all the trophies. Pick up both the trophies. 3 of them. There's
Yeah.
3 on the
There
ground.
was one from her body. Run. Okay.
I got a young grove spawn, bitches.
Oh, that
I
one
got the
died
other
too! What just happened? The other bird died!
You're laying
What?
down.
Oh my god, there's so many. Hold on, I'm gonna. Dude, what
Fine,
do we even?
please, grab a trophy and go, please.
Yeah, no can.
Alright, plug the hole up when I get in here.
Yep.
I'm over here by the Anna.
Ah, there you are. I see you. I'm just in Alberta. Oop, that's stuck on a freaking log.
Okay, this one's gonna log, I think.
No, he's moving.
Oh, he's coming out the side.
He actually hurt a
Fuck.
lot. Jeez, Stasp does not have health.
He was able to push me out.
Oh,
Sarko!
that was Sarko.
Sarko! Yep.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I couldn't get out in time. The hole's not blocked.
Oh, it's gonna get out.
Yeah, I died. Get that
Hold on,
Sarko for me. Is my Spino out there? No, and my Sarko's plugged back.
Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. It's me balling.
The
The
what?
Sarko's getting in the water, guys! Get it!
Who's the other Sarko?
Not us.
Not ours. Neither of them are us.
Oh, shit.
Did he not get bone broken?
Alright. I'm gonna get out of here because I got a shit ton of bleed.
Alright, I'm
Oh
gonna get
my
the other
God.
Sarko. Get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way. Alright, whale on it.
Are both did you get the other Sarko?
No,
No,
it's
this one's
meatball. Sorry.
No, you're fine. Just
Do you think he's just healing in the water?
It is,
Yeah.
I'm looking.
come on, we got it. Yes.
Alright, give me a minute. I need a 1 minute and then I can probably log in. 4,
Excuse me,
3.
excuse me, excuse me.
1.
I guarantee you he's gonna sit there and.
It's running, it's running. We got a runner, boys!
The Sarko's running.
We got a runner, boys!
Josh, remember to surface swim. By the way. Unless he's like really deep because you lose a lot less stamina.
Got him!
Nice, good job,
Nice.
get his trophy. Teabag him a little bit.
In the water.
Eat his heart.
Okay, I'm gonna bone break him again.
Also, I have a trophy for whoever.
It's dead.
Is that another Anno coming in? Up behind this rock?
Oh, yeah,
Sharpened
he's
horns.
threatening
He
him.
sharpened
He
horns.
says he has 7 Ankies.
Josh.
Don't get hit. He
I
does
got
a
you.
lot of damage right now.
I hit him with my main attack.
There we go. Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh no!
Fuck.
Ah! I thought it was the bone break.
My lock. What